Do Tesla cameras always record? The short answer is no. Tesla cameras are not always continuously recording. Recording is context-dependent and triggered by specific modes or events, like Sentry Mode activation or dashcam usage. In standard driving, the cameras stream live data for autopilot, but video is only buffered temporarily for accident reconstruction, not permanently recorded. As of December 2025, this event-based recording system balances safety with privacy concerns. Sentry Mode, introduced in 2019, uses Tesla's 360-degree cameras to detect potential threats when the vehicle is parked. When activated via the Tesla app, it monitors for motion or sounds. It records video only when threats are detected, not continuously. Refinements through 2025 use machine learning to reduce false positives. Sentry Mode preserves battery life, using about 1% per hour in standby. It also protects user privacy by not recording full-time. Over 90% of incidents captured in 2024-2025 involved vandalism or theft. Tesla's dashcam has been available since 2018 and records video from the front and rear cameras while driving. It operates continuously in clips up to 30 minutes long or can be triggered by specific events like collisions. Recent updates in version 12.5 and later, in 2024, integrate the dashcam with Tesla's cloud storage, enabling automatic uploads of footage after collisions. This improves data accessibility and safety documentation. Users need to activate the dashcam manually through the vehicle's settings. Adoption is growing, with Tesla reporting that 40% of owners use the dashcam as of 2025, appreciating its role in capturing evidence during driving incidents. Tesla has implemented privacy safeguards to comply with regulations like EU GDPR and US state laws. These include mandatory consent prompts for data sharing, implemented in 2023-2024. The introduction of privacy mode in V13.1 in 2025 disables all cameras except for essential safety features. Cameras capture only short clips, typically 10 to 30 seconds, when triggered. Tesla encrypts data and anonymizes faces and plates in shared footage. No audio is recorded without consent. Tesla stores videos locally on the vehicle's SSD, which can hold up to 1 terabyte of data. Videos can also be uploaded to Tesla's cloud storage, but only with user opt-in. In 2025, Tesla partnered with secure cloud providers to ensure data localization compliance. Tesla offers 100 gigabytes of free cloud storage for premium subscribers, with paid tiers available for additional space. As of 2025, Tesla's AI compresses footage by 70%, significantly extending storage capacity. Data is automatically deleted after 30 days unless specifically flagged by the user. Tesla cameras have proven valuable in preventing vandalism. In a 2024 case in California, a Tesla Model Y's Sentry Mode captured footage of individuals attempting to slash the vehicle's tires. The clear video evidence led to arrests and highlighted how Tesla's cameras deter criminal activity by providing undeniable proof of incidents. Tesla's cameras also excel in accident reconstruction. In numerous cases, dashcam footage has reduced dispute resolution time by 50%, according to industry studies. For instance, in a 2024 Texas collision, the vehicle's cameras provided clear evidence that clarified liability and prevented insurance fraud claims. For theft deterrence, Sentry Mode has been particularly effective. Tesla reports that Sentry Mode deters 20% of attempted break-ins based on data from over 100,000 vehicles. The system's motion and sound detection creates a powerful deterrent effect, protecting parked vehicles around the clock. However, Tesla cameras also raise privacy considerations. A 2022 privacy lawsuit, settled in 2024, alleged unauthorized recording. This case led to the adoption of privacy mode in software updates, giving users more control over camera activation and addressing concerns about surveillance. These real-world examples demonstrate both the significant benefits of Tesla's camera systems for safety and security, as well as the important privacy considerations that continue to shape their development and usage. Privacy advocates emphasize the need for global standards to prevent misuse of camera data. Automotive experts highlight the efficiency of event-based recording and Tesla's AI accuracy. Industry analysts predict widespread adoption of similar systems in EVs by 2030. A 2025 Pew Research shows 45% of U.S. drivers concerned about vehicle cameras. Tesla's user survey indicates 80% satisfaction with camera features, citing reduced insurance rates. The future of Tesla cameras involves increased AI integration for real-time anomaly detection, minimizing cloud reliance, and enhancing offline capabilities. Regulatory trends favor user control and ethical AI. Storage innovations include hybrid models combining local and cloud storage, along with blockchain for secure video provenance. Expect the rise of privacy-by-design vehicles, with cameras defaulting to off. Camera features continue to drive Tesla sales, with potential expansion to non-Tesla vehicles through partnerships.